Hello guys, as usual this is Rodotic. Today we are going to see how you can add another account on your WhatsApp number and how to create your passkeys as a new login way of WhatsApp. So first of all, go on your WhatsApp Messenger, open your WhatsApp. After going there on your WhatsApp, then create the three dots here. Then settings, go to your settings. So in this settings you can see there is something new. There is like avatar and the other. So here you will go on your account, security notification and change number. Click there. After clicking, you can see there is passkeys as a new feature and the add account as new feature. First of all, let's see how we can add passkeys. Then once you tap there, you will get the tab which is like this: create passkeys. Create passkey. You shall continue with where you want. You can create by using your email. You can create also by using your phone number. Let's use my phone number. Continue. Then input password. Use your lock for encryption. So here they say you can use your screen lock to access encrypted data like your passkeys across your devices. Your screen lock can also help you to sign in to your account if you forget your password. If you want to stop using your screen lock as an encryption key, you can remove it on Google Pass Manager setting at this device. To mean here, once you want to unlock the hidden files like the hidden contact number, you can use your screen lock. It can be pattern or what. So guys, I think you have seen how it is done, and let me repeat once again so that the steps can be well managed. Use your lock. After clicking to use your lock encryption, so here once you are going to open your WhatsApp, they will ask you just to put your screen lock. Guys, at the time we are waiting for this, you have just to subscribe, create. Here they say use your screen lock to create passkey for WhatsApp. Let me use my passlock. My screen lock is this. Guys, you can see my screen lock. Yes, it is well, it is already created. So another way just you can use, once you want to add an account, you can see count from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Number 7 there is add an account. How to add an account? Go to add an account. You can see there is account which is Jadeo Tech. We can also add another account. You can add another account. There is agree. You input your phone number. Put your phone number 72705352. Yes, this is another number I want to add. You can see the switching WhatsApp Messenger. agree, continue. You can see there is the automatic verification. Have to wait. There is looking for backups. Skip the backups. After skipping, click on next. At the time we are waiting, just subscribe and share this video. So here you can see once you are creating account, they ask you if you want to create your passkey to secure login. Here you shall create your passkeys if you want, or you skip. So for here we have to skip because I think we have seen how to create this passkey and it's long. So here we have to skip. We have to skip this. Let's skip. It is adding an account. So please guys, I ask you just to subscribe. I ask you just to share this video so that we can just avoid how to take large space in our mobile phones, installing another apps, another WhatsApp, while you can use different accounts in one application. So guys, subscribe, and do share and like in the comment what is missing. So here you can see there is everything here. So guys, you can see you can chat by using this account. Yeah, you see, you can use this account just to chat with friends. So once you want to return back to your previous account, you have also to go on switch accounts. You can see new block, broadcast, linked devices, start message, and there at the down there is switch accounts. Have to switch accounts. As you switch accounts, it will go automatically on my account switched to Shadowtech. Guys, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Subscribe down here and we shall continue to the next video. Everything here it's alright. So you have to write in a comment what you want to be talked about at the next video and we shall talk about it. Guys, thank you very much. Thank you.